Crude oil sees its biggest one-day drop since July 11th to be exact, dropping all the way down to the mid 65 level, getting back up to about 66.50 in toward the end of the day, down over 4%, actually closer to 4.5% on its lows today. Again, biggest drop since July. That was a huge move. You don't normally see this, but again, crude oil down 3 weeks in a row, very quietly initially, but now it's starting to get the attention based off of the moves it's had. The entire geopolitical bid has been taken out of crude oil at this point. The geopolitics having to do with Iranian crude being taken off the market and Saudi Arabian tensions with the US and the rest of the world have been erased by the Saudis' commitment to replace any crude oil that will be taken off the market through Iranian shortfalls based off of the US sanctions. Now, this is being seen as sort of a softened stance based again on the tensions between the Saudis and the rest of the world, given this situation they're currently dealing with. It's almost seen as sort of a thank you to the rest of the world if they kind of slowly excuse what might be an alleged transgression. We don't know that that's going to happen, but the Saudi Arabian oil minister today said they would make up any shortfalls, and they also had already raised crude oil production as of September. So this is excess production that the market had not priced in. But not only that, they're taking the loss of the Iranian crude out of the market, which had helped to take the crude oil price on WTI above $70 as recently as 3 weeks ago. And then lastly, weak demand. This is all happening during the weakest month of the year for demand for gasoline. October is traditionally the weakest month as the summer driving season comes to an end. All vacation driving dies down, and it's still too early for the winter vacations for demand on jet fuel. So October is generally the weakest month for the demand for refined products, so expect to see stockpiles rising with the low refinery utilization rates that we've seen. Normally, crude oil's volatility is with supply disruptions and spikes. This was definitely the reverse of that, so it is an odd dynamic for crude oil, but it was again one of the larger falls we've seen in 2018.